Hello everyone! Today we are going to implement a video player into our application. So if we tap on the door here, the image will load up, and after that we want to start to play the video. The first thing what we want to do is first of all to fix this here, that the advent calendar is shown in the center. So we go here and center our widget, and if we hot reload it, it will be centered. And the important part is that we have in our grid view the shrink wrap to true. So if we have it to false, something like this, then it wouldn't be centered because the grid view takes all the space on the page. You can see it if you, for example, wrap it here around with a container and give it a color. Color is green. Let's do it. Hot reload, then you see it takes all up the space, this grid view. But if we go with shrink wrap, the space is limited, how you can see. So that's why we have to put here shrink wrap to true. I will delete it here again. The next thing what we are going to do is to go to our selected door page, which is the page if we tap on a door and then press here, this is the selected page. And what we want to do is to replace this image here with a video widget, and here we want to pass first of all the image inside, and we also add a video property where we set door.video. So in our model I created another field where we have the video pass. In our data structure we have every time a path to our video, so we have stored it here in advent 9 mp4, and we have also set it to our assets folder. Now we are going to create this widget here, the video widget. So we go here, video widget, and we convert this video widget directly to a stateful widget so we can maintain a state. And then in our widget we pass the image and video property to our constructor. So the next thing what we do, we go to pub.dartlang.org and type in VideoPlayer, and then we go to the installing section here and copy this dependency into our pub/spec YAML, like I did here. And we also copy the important statement here into our new created widget, like so, and also get the dependencies. The next thing what we want to do is to override the init state method and implement the controller, which is the video player controller, where we just say that we want to load it from an asset, which is in this case the video pass. And then we add a listener, and we just say that we want to start the playing here. Another thing we want to do is to initialize our player, and then after 1.5 seconds we want to actually play the video. So we wait 1.5 seconds before we play. Inside of our build method we create a video player and pass the controller inside, and we also have to import our widget here. And now if we hot restart our application, now if we press on a door and open it up, the video will be start to play after 1.5 seconds. What you see is like, it's not pretty nice that we have this large format here, so we will change it. And we also want to show an image before the video starts to play. Another thing what I did is here to override the dispose method and call the controller dispose, so that the video stops playing after we go here back. And now we want to constrain the size of our widget here. Here in our build method we will also add an aspect ratio, and here we set the aspect ratio property to 16 divided by 9 and hot reload it, and then it looks like this. And the good thing is if we rotate it right now, then the video is also taking the 69 format. Now in our build method we want to control if the video is initialized by the controller of this video, and if it's the case we want to show the video player, otherwise we want to show an image which is the placeholder. And if you save it, open the door again, open this video, and the image is shown and then the video. So the next thing what we want to do is to control our video itself. So we wrap our video player into a gesture detector. So in our tap method we want to say if the controller is currently playing, and then we tap on the video, then it should show a pause image, which is fading away. And if the controller is not playing, we want to show a play arrow so that the user knows that the video starts to play. So therefore, we also created here this video status animation widget, which gets initialized by a container so that it doesn't show in the beginning. And later, if we tap then on this video, it will change. Another thing we want to do is to wrap our video widget into a stack so that we can actually show our video status animation widget, which is this pause icon or this arrow icon. And now if we tap on this, you see it will stop or it will start to play. So the last thing what we want to add is this video progress indicator so that we see the progress of the video. And I will also give it a padding here so that it is shown more in the center here. And here we go, we can actually change the position of the video and start the video and also stop it. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here to get the latest news about Flutter, and see you soon. Bye!